Welcome to our cookum video. Today we are cooking Biang noodles. First, we clean our working surface. This food safety principle is important because we will need food here and we can't be too sure if our roommate cleaned the surface after they used it last. We wipe the surface with a hot soapy towel and a sanitizing wipe. Here we have a bowl with 250 grams of all-purpose flour, and we are adding 125 milliliters of water to the bowl. We then add 1/4 a teaspoon of salt. Mix together the flour and water by hand until it makes a ball like this. Then knead the ball on the counter until the surface looks smooth. Once the dough is smooth, divide the ball into 8 pieces and roll into ovular shapes. Then cover them with oil and then plastic wrap to prevent stickage. After an hour of resting, we are ready to pull the noodles. Start by rolling the dough ball into a rectangular shape. Then use a chopstick to make an indent in the middle. Gently pull the noodle apart to your desired thickness and rip down the middle. The food science behind these pulled noodles is that after combining water and flour, we were able to create gluten via mechanical force when kneading the dough. We then let the gluten fibers relax by resting the dough, and now they are elastic and easily stretched apart into noodles. Once ripped, we can set them aside and prepare a pot of water to boil them. To maintain a clean cooking surface area, we will now wipe down our cooktop. This step is recommended by the Food and Drug Administration. Once the water is boiling, place the noodles in the water and stir to prevent stickage. Cook the noodles for about 1 minute. Boiling involves the current flow of water and is an example of convective heat transfer. Heat is transferred to the noodles through the hot water current in a boiling pot of water. To season the noodles, add some chopped green onions, red pepper flakes, chili powder, salt, Sichuan ground pepper, soy sauce, and black rice vinegar. Now carefully pour hot oil over the aromatic seasoning to bloom their flavor. Finally, stir to combine and then you can dig in.